In this video, I'm going to show you how to work Bereal. Tap open the application of Bereal. Now there are two sections in Bereal. One is the My Friends section and the other one is the Discovery section. My Friends are all the friends that you have added to your Bereal account. If you have not yet added your friends, you can tap on the Add Friends here and you can add your contacts to be friends on your Bereal account. The second section is the Discovery section. Here you can discover new people and see their Bereal pictures. And you can also add these people as your friends if you want. Now Bereal allows you to take only one picture every single day. It sends you a notification every day to post a picture. The picture is completely raw. It does not have any filters in the application, and you also cannot put filters to your pictures while posting to Bereal. So it is completely raw and you have to post a picture within 2 minutes of you opening the application. So that's a unique point of Bereal. If you want to see who are your friends on Bereal, you can simply tap on this human icon located on the top left. It will show you here all the friends that you have, and the My Friends section will show you all the friends that are on Bereal.